This is Katie, and she's going to bring you the dollar and euro analysis. She's going to show you also examples of related options, as the dollar is now in capitulation and likely to turn to the upside. What she shows you here are trading ideas using the Tastyworks platform.
Hi, this is Katie with askSlim. Our analysis on the dollar index, $DXY, shows that an important low is due to form. This is the weekly chart of the dollar index. On the bottom, we have a dominant cycle that is 52 bars in length, and it is broken up into two minor half cycles. We also indicate a period of time of a few weeks plus and minus when these ideal cycles bottom with these blue vertical dotted lines. And we are in that weekly cycle timing window now. We also have this purple and green ribbon on the chart. It's our proprietary momentum indicator, the reversal scout. It is still negative as this goes through the bottoming process, but it is beginning to curl up. We'd like to see it turn green to help us confirm a low when the dollar index begins to move up. Now, the dollar is inversely correlated to the euro. Notice this decline on the dollar chart. I'm going to show you the euro chart in a moment, and you'll notice that as the dollar has dropped, the euro has risen. Here is the weekly chart of the euro US dollar cash pair. So if the dollar starts to move up, then the euro should start to move down, and you'll notice that we have a timing window for that coming up. That ideal window starts at the end of this month. Now, you can certainly trade the cash pair. I'm going to use the Euro futures. Here is a daily chart of the Euro futures /6E. We've just started a new daily cycle, and this blue box up here at the top is our short-term target zone. What we're looking for is for the euro to get up into that area between 1.087 and 1.096. Then we want to see price stall and for momentum to turn negative. That could set up a good shorting opportunity going into this mid-February timeframe. Going over to the Tastyworks platform, I have loaded /6E, and we have two possible expiration cycles, February 3rd and March 3rd, 23 days to expiration or 51 days. I'd lean toward March to give ourselves extra time. We also have a relatively high IV rank at 37.4. So let's look at a short premium trade idea. Looking at the options chain, you'll notice that the strikes are in increments of 0.005. The notional on Euro futures is 125,000, so that means that a spread width of 0.005 is equal to $625. Now, as I mentioned, we'd like to get that downturn in momentum before placing the trade. If that condition was being met now, there are a number of bearish short premium trades. We could simply sell a call. The 1.095 strike corresponds approximately to the top of that short-term target zone. It would give you a credit of 0.0077, which we have to multiply by 125,000. So our credit collected is $963. That's our max profit. Our max loss is infinite to the upside. This trade in my account uses about $2,500 of capital, and we have a probability of profit of 70%. Now, many people do not like the infinite risk associated with a short call, so we could also do a credit spread. You can make it as wide as you like. Just remember that each increment is worth $625, so if I widen the spread out by 1, this spread would be worth $1,250. Max profit in this case would be 338. Max loss is 913. So that is about a third of the width of the strikes. Depending on your account, it doesn't use much capital, about $400 in here, and your probability of profit drops to 65%. One other thing I'd like to show you is that Tastyworks has micro futures. If you click over to the Active tab, down here you will see /M6E. Those are the micro euro futures. So we can wait for our bearish condition to set up and then simply short the micro future. You'll notice over here that it actually uses less capital than doing the spread. And your profit potential is not capped. So to learn more about all of the tools and services we offer our members, please visit our website at askSlim.com.
Super job on that, Katie. Remember that what she gives you is examples, and the market's actually moved since the time that she has done this, as it's in this capitulation stage, and lower prices there, but you'll really get the sense for the style and the approach.